Every phone call you make on your iPhone could reveal more information than you realize. From hidden call forwarding to caller ID and AI features, a few settings can make a big difference to your privacy. In the next few minutes, I'll show you the most important iPhone call settings you should check right now. Let's get started. Check for hidden call forwarding. Open the phone app and go to the keypad. Dial *#002#. Then tap call. Your iPhone will display the current call forwarding status. Check that voice, data, and SMS forwarding are all disabled. If any forwarding service is enabled, or if you simply want to reset everything, dial ##002#, tap call again. This removes all active call forwarding set through your carrier. Review Siri and Apple Intelligence Access. Now open Settings, tap the search bar, and search for the phone app. Tap it to open. Look for the Apple Intelligence and Siri options. If you don't want Siri or Apple Intelligence using your calling activity to personalize suggestions, disable those options. If you like the convenience, you can leave them enabled. Choose whichever matches your privacy preference. Change share name and photo. Still inside the phone settings, scroll down and tap share name and photo. Scroll to the bottom. Instead of automatically sharing your profile, set it to always ask. This gives you control over when your name and profile photo are shared with other people. Turn off call forwarding. Go back and open call forwarding. If it's enabled, switch it off. Unless you intentionally use call forwarding, there's no reason to leave it on. Check call recording. Next, open audio call recording. If you never record phone calls, disable this feature. If you regularly use call recording, keep it enabled only when needed and make sure you're following the laws in your country or region. Review caller ID. Tap Show My Caller ID. Turn it on if you want people to see your number when you call. Turn it off if you prefer to keep your number private, provided your carrier supports this feature. Pick the option that works best for you. Block spam and unknown callers. Finally, enable spam protection. Turn on Silence Unknown Callers. Call filtering, if available on your iPhone and carrier. These features help reduce spam calls and keep unwanted callers from interrupting you. That's it. These are the essential iPhone call privacy settings everyone should review. They only take a couple of minutes to check, but they can help you keep your calls more secure and under your control. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you'd like more iPhone privacy and security tips.